Dan from Brantford Toyota back here. Got a cool one for you today. It's a 2021 Toyota Corolla Apex Edition. It's sporty, it's stylish, and it's got some performance upgrades on top of the regular Corolla. So let's dive in and take a look. Starting up front, you'll notice the aggressive styling of the Apex Edition here with the nice big honeycomb grille, gloss black lip there with the bronze accents. You've also got your LED accent headlights, blackout badges to get you started. Coming around the side, you can see the nice gloss black 18-inch alloy wheels, unique to the Apex Edition as well. It is finished in, again, Apex unique cement gray. Looks absolutely amazing on this Corolla, especially with the black wheels. Coming around the back, you can see another Apex exclusive feature, the black wing. Looks, again, really awesome. Got the blackout badges here around the back. That Apex badge letting you know it is a very unique piece. You've got your factory installed exhaust there, axle back exhaust. Opens up the sound a little bit, makes it sound a little bit more aggressive. Coming up to the side here, we'll hop inside. You can see, again, Apex has a nice unique interior, white and gray two-tone with the bronze accents. Looks really, really nice. Then we'll head up front. Very nice, stylish look of the current generation Corollas. You've got your nice big touch screen there with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Climate controls down below. Looks very nice and easily laid out. Down underneath, you've got your wireless charger, heated seat controls, sport mode, traction control, gear selector for your direct shift CVT with first gear launch gear. You got your auto parking brake and brake hold down there as well. Over across into the front, we've got our steering wheel here. It's got all your Toyota safety sense controls. So for lane keep assist, radar cruise, pre-collision braking. It's got auto headlights, trip computer there in the middle as well. You can see the steering wheel is finished in a leather wrap. Thank you for checking out this 2021 Toyota Corolla Apex Edition with me. If you have any questions about this unique piece or anything else in our inventory, as always, give me a shout, Dan at Brantford Toyota. Stay tuned for a little surprise at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.